That would have been us if we stayed over in that building.
Yeah, for real. For real,
Been
bro.
going down them stairs. Oof.
Yeah, for real. Lol.
Adrian, do you want to make the announcement that we're all clear, and then I'll clear the drill? At this time, you're all clear. You return to normal activity.
Let me go back in.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going back in. See you after the next drill. Alright everyone, thanks for watching for this video, because I'm going back to my classroom. I'll catch you in the next video, which is a firearm evacuation drill. So yeah, I'm gonna be making that. Alright, thanks for watching all. See you next time. Bye.